how to delete Google account permanently on Android. So if you want to delete Google account permanently, then first you need to open up your mail, open up your Gmail, and then you can go for the upper right, which has that profile icon, and go for manage your Google account. And under that, you can go for data and privacy, and then scroll down, and here on the bottom you will have more options, and under more options you will have delete your Google account. Tap on delete your Google account and enter the verification, and once you've done that you can scroll down, and here it says that if you delete your Google account then all this content will be deleted. So the content that you have searched or saved or done anything, it will all be deleted. So if you want to delete that, then tap on these little boxes which is on the bottom left, and then tap on delete account which is on the bottom right, and once you tap on delete account, your account will be deleted. So choose wisely. If you want to delete your Google account permanently, then tap on delete account and your account will be deleted. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.